Today I think I'm going to go on a run. It's Saturday and I went to bed really early last night. So I'm gonna try something new. Well, not new, but new in a while. I haven't been on a run or movement like the second I wake up, just because I've been so exhausted from work. But I've been going on runs because it kind of kicks in my natural instincts and I feel like I'm a cat running in the wild. So I'm really loving that and I will take you with me. The cold feels so good. I'm not really wearing anything, but I feel like my body has awakened. It's so true that your body is so asleep until you kind of wake it up gently through some movement. Because your mind may be awake in the morning, but your body isn't. This should be paid footage right here. This is Planet Earth redone by me. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this shirt like all the time, it's the most comfortable shirt I have and I love cats. So obviously I'm gonna wear a cat shirt, and not in the really conservative gun-owning way, but in a queer, hyper-inclusive, just using these buzzwords. Anyway, yeah, very cute shirt. And I will be wearing it till it breaks. So I'm very used to eating toast and avocados or banana. I kind of made my entryway into avocado toast after I graduated because avocados are expensive, and I used to use bananas and have sweeter toast, but I've always been savory, so avocado toast has been like my way of having savory food in the morning that's quick and easy when I'm working. But I've rediscovered savory oats. Sometimes I just get the ick from eating something for too long, and I ate oats for like a whole year and not always savory, so very sick of that. But now I'm back to savory oats and my stomach feels so nice. Like, I actually think I'm a little bit gluten intolerant because every single time I eat like a lot of things I make myself from like wheat flour or a lot of bread, like my face will get like these like, it almost feels like cystic acne, like it hurts, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Like, I still have it here. Oh, I still have it here from a few days ago, but it doesn't even feel like it'll be acne, so I don't know. It's weird, but I think I'm gonna have to start eating a little bit less gluten and see how I feel, because I feel like when I'm not eating gluten, I feel the best and I don't feel as like lethargic. So my body is very sensitive. So that's one thing on top of me not being able to also have a lot of legumes because I got the same reaction. So I think my gut is just very sensitive, just like me. Ginger, spice mix, mushroom bouillon. Add a dried mushroom in there. I usually have it with tofu, like silken tofu, but I don't have any right now. I'm actually gonna plan my grocery shop trip right now. This is so much softer on my stomach. So they definitely didn't have everything, so I'm gonna have to go to 99 Ranch Market because I want to have a really nice hot pot dinner on New Year's. But tonight I'm gonna make my own little hot pot on the stove because I'm waiting for my induction, like, little portable stove to put on the table. But in the meantime, I'm gonna really enjoy all the Napa cabbage I got because that was like the main vegetable I was looking for. And I got an assortment of mushrooms. Just a really expensive home cooked meal. It wasn't that expensive. I actually bought a bunch of things, so pretty good. I got a fragile package. Oh, I did it. Whew. Let's wash our hands. Oh my gosh, everything's so clean. I think Christian cleaned it. Hi, baby. Okay, let's open this package. I think it's from my brother. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Jemmy. I got you some bowls to hold the amazing recipes you come up with from your #1 fan, Johnny. Okay, let me unwrap this. These are gonna be so cute. Johnny has such an eye for design. Gosh, this wrapping is so cool. Like, I feel like I can wear this. It's like a bra. Look at how beautiful these are. Wow, I see the vision. I see it. Grain. They're like lightly salted.
Hello?
Hey, thank you, it's so cute.
But you like it?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna saute some Napa cabbage because I'm obsessed.
Try. We'll have fun.
Okay, let's eat because I'm starving. These flowers are... Whenever lunch becomes an emergency, everything turns to a mess. Here's the spread. Don't ask me why I made so much food for lunch. Life is spontaneous, and that's all I care about. That sauce all over this. So grateful for all of this good food in front of me. So I prefer eating on the floor. And I really want furniture that supports this lifestyle. But tell me why furniture closer to the ground is so much more expensive. It's gentrification for Asian products. That's just the explanation. Full orange. My family at home grows mandarin oranges. Oh my god, the fragrance is so good. Oh, did you see that? My family at home grows these, but they're not as like rigid as these are. They're definitely way softer. Maybe it's the fertilizer my dad puts in the floor. Not the floor, the ground. Okay. I think these are lacking some water. The ones at home, they are so juicy. I always try to eat really slow now because I like to be mindful about what I'm putting into my body. But a lot of times I don't, and it's also because I'm struggling. You know, it's a vicious cycle, but I tend to like binge eat, and then like I feel really guilty, I had a little bit of like a bulimic reaction in high school. And it was just terrible. What is it? Is it purging? I think that's what I did. I viciously exercised in the morning, hoping that I deserved to eat the breakfast. And obviously you're always deserving of eating. It's nourishing and it keeps you alive. So it's just, we're fed this toxic narrative. I would eat and then I would have this like urge to need to vomit, but like it was never because I felt like, oh, I ate too much. Like it was always like I felt sick to my stomach for some reason. Like it was a lot of anxiety. It's a lot when I was eating in restaurants with friends, but I didn't want to tell anybody. I felt really embarrassed. But I would like be in the middle of a bite and then all of a sudden, like at a group gathering, I would like get super anxious. And then that bite in my mouth, I had to like hold it in. I couldn't like spit it out. But like if I swallowed it, I knew I would vomit. That was not a good time in my life. But I've come so far. I've taken a mindfulness class at USC where my wonderful professor Linda, she teaches a mindfulness and yoga class in Beverly Hills. I did a presentation on mindful eating because it's just so important. Like at the very beginning of the pandemic, I was so good at this. I would like eat so slowly. My sister, she eats really quickly because she's a nurse and she like has a few minutes of stuff in her lunch. And I always questioned why she had to do that. But now I find myself doing the same thing where I'm literally eating so fast because I'm so hungry or I have things to do. I need to remind myself that, you know, you'll have the food in you, but sometimes, you know, I don't plan ahead of time, so I do let my body just do whatever it needs to do to nourish itself, if that means eating fast. But in the times that I'm not in a rush, just slow down and it just feels a lot better. My stomach has more time to like understand what's going on and I'm not just shoving a bunch of food in my body. Mushrooms? Oh yeah, that's good. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much going on, but I'm happy I shared that time with you. So have a great day and I will be sleeping.